Good morning, children. Let me take a poem for 8th standard, Firework Night. Night we cannot do any firework, but we used to burn the crackers and all we used to do at night time only. So the pet animals, what are you got at home, either it is cat or dog, they are afraid on hearing the sound. So here, a dog says its feelings to us. So generally they are at the outside of the gate only, just to watch the house only we are keeping the dog. But we are keeping at home, so it is known as what? Pet dog. Here the same thing has happened for a pet dog. The one fire night, that is they are bursting the crackers or using the thing. It is producing sound. On hearing the sound, it's get worried and it requests the master, not request, by making the sound, by making the struggling sound. That owner, that mistress and master, they understood the dog is getting worried about the cracker sound, and they made the dog to get into the house. After it get into the house, it shows the gratitude to the master. Gratitude means what? Thanks to the master. And it was hiding itself under the bench to table like that. And it expresses its gratitude after the incident, and it says it will be very faithful to the owner who has helped in his danger. Okay, so let us go for the poem. As usual, we have to see the rhyming pair, rhyming scheme, the personification, everything. Already explained everything, but let us go again. Every poem you have to see. As soon as the poem is completed, you have to say whether it is memory poem or not. If it is memory poem, you have to learn the verses, or else you have to say what is rhyming pair. Pair means what I said, between two words. Rhyming scheme, the sentences, how many sentences are given, either it is 4 or 5, you have to write the rhyming scheme. And personification, I said already, that non-living things attribute at living things. That is, the things which has no life, they can be attributed as the living thing. This is known as what? Personification. So we have compared the inanimate things as the living things. So that is known as personification. Let us go for the poem. The poem is in page number 140. Bang. Bang means what? Making a sound. Suppose we are closing the door, somebody banging at the outside. We are making the sound. The sudden sound makes us to get fear. The same like the dog also fears. Clear? The poem is said by a dog. The poet is there is no instruction about the poet. Anyhow, the poet name is Enid Blyton. What's the poet name? Enid Blyton. He is the poet, but there is no introduction about the poet to us. So let us go for the poem. Bang. What's the poem? Bang. Sudden sound. What is that? Bang, bang. Oh, hark. The guns are shooting in the dark. So suddenly a sound is heard. The dog is thinking about what's that? What's that means what? You know what it is. Bang, bang. Oh, hark. The guns are... Sudden loud sound only, bang. Okay. The guns are shooting in the dark. In the night time it is. Little guns and big ones too. The children are playing with the guns. Little guns and big ones too. Bang, bang, bang. What shall I do? It is helpless. Which is helpless? Dogless. Dog. Why it is helpless? Because it is out of the doors. So immediately shouted at it cannot talk like us, but it produces a sound. We can understand what kind of barking of dog is, whether it is fear or else by joy, anything else, by cautious. Different sounds it produces. Mistress, master, hear my help. Mistress, master, hear me help. Help means what? Sound. Healing sound. That is from the bottom of the heart we are making the sound. Suppose if you are getting pain, we are making a sound in different way. That shows our pain in the tone. The same like it was heaping. Helping, heaping, Y-E-L-P. Help, that L is sounding. It heap. I am out of doors, I want your help. What is it? I am out of doors, I want your help. Whose help? Master help or else mistress? Master, man, mistress, woman. Whoever may be, we hear the sound of the dog, they have to come and open the door. To shoot again, before the firework begin, to shoot again, I cannot bear that. My tail is down, my ears are flat. What it said? Again, before they making the fire, better you call me inside. It begs like anything. How it is? My tail is down, my ears are flat. It was flat ears. Tail down, it cannot. I am trembling here outside the door. Who is trembling? Trembling means what? Shaking out, shaking the out of the doors. Oh, don't you love me anymore? I think I will die with fright. What it said? Yeah, if you are loving me, just you make me to allow inside. If you are not opening the door, I will die with the fright. Fright means what? Fear. Fright means fear. I'll write the meanings here. If the master or mistress they delay to open the door, what will happen to the dog? It will die. How it will die? Due to the fear only. Okay. Unless you let me into night. So till night, at least that night it has to be safe. So yes, unless one night only. So master asked the children, shall we let in? Children, mother asked. Then children said yes. Now the door is opened wide. Now the door is opened wide. Wide means what? Broadly. Broadly the door is opened. Wide means what I say? Broad. I am rushing through. I am safe inside. Rushing through means what? Fastly it enters into the house and hiding in the safe place. Now the dog is out of the fear because it was inside the house by the closed doors with the master, mistress and children. The lights are on. It's warm and grand. So lights. Outside only dark. Inside it is lights are, all the lights are on. The place is warm. The place also there is no chillness. It was very happy inside the house. Mistress, let me lick your hand before I slip behind the couch. What is it? To show the thanks. How the dogs can express their thanks to us? By licking. Licking, you know the meaning. By licking the hands of us or else some other part of us. By licking, they can show their gratitude to us. So, because they permitted the dog to get inside, no. It wants to say the thanks to the master or mistress. So, before I went to the couch. Couch means what? Safe place. Hiding place. Before I entered into the hiding place, let me lick you and show my gratitude. In safety till the banks are done, then to my kennel I will run. Till the banks, that is, till the shouts only it will be there. After that, the dog will go to the original place where it was. The place where the dog stays is known as what? Kennel. Dog's shelter. Clear? And God you safely all the night because you understood my fright. What is said? Only one night only. The next day morning where it will be, dog will be out of the house, that is in the kennel, and it will show its gratitude throughout the night. It will watch the house because the master and mistress, they understood the fear of the dog. Clear, children? This is a simple poem only. We know, maybe you would have got the pets at home. That during Deepavali, even I got the pet at home. The black dog. Okay. So whenever when the during Deepavali season and all, we used to keep the dog inside only. That too under the table it will be, and even though it is very safely inside, every time when the sound is here, no, it will make the body will be shaken like anything. So one should be along with the dog that time. We used to pat on the dog and we said nothing to worry, whether it's understood or not. It needs the kindness of us that time. Okay. So we'll go for the rhyming scheme. What's that? Bing, bang, bang, ho, hark. First stanza, we'll see. First one is what I say. Oh, hark, in the dark, once two. I'm writing half of the words only, beginning words and all I'm not writing. Clear, children? bang, bang, bang. Okay, so hark, dark. Both pronouns are same. So this is rhyming pair. What shall I do? To, do, both are same pronunciation. So they are B. In between bang, bang, C. Okay. So what's the rhyming pair means you have to write. Children, you don't write only answer A, B, C like that. You must tell me what are the words are. You must tell those who are doing correction, you must insist them. What is rhyming pair? Rhyming pair, dark, hark. Then to, do. Rhyming scheme only A, B, C, B. You have to write all the lines as it is. You have to underline the rhyming pair and you have to take down the rhyming scheme like this. It's clear? At the same time, we can see the alliteration here. Bang, bang, bang. The same letters repeated many times in a single line. It's known as what? Alliteration. Same letter, for example, B, B, B. So what is alliteration here? Bang. It is alliteration. Now you got clear idea about what is rhyming scheme and rhyming pair and what is alliteration. Same letter repeated many times in a single sentence is known as alliteration. Clear, children? Now we'll go for second paragraph. Mistress, master, hear me, help. Hear me, help. Y-E-L-P. I want your help. Let me in. Before the fireworks begin. How many lines there? 1, 2, 3, 4. That flat door anymore. Okay, we'll say with this. Help, help. Both are rhyming pair. Then let me in, begin. So this is A, B, B. What is the rhyming scheme here? A, B, B. And is there any alliteration? Mistress, master, hear me, help. Mistress. Masters. Both the words are started with M. That is a single letter repeated many times. So this is alliteration. You have to go through. Only when they asked in the question paper only you have to find out. Suppose they are asking rhyming scheme means you have to write only rhyming scheme. Rhyming pair means rhyming pair. If they ask you to find out the alliteration in the given lines only, you have to write. Anyway, because I am taking class, I am explaining everything to you. Clear, children? I will go for the other line. My tail is down, my ears are flat. Third one. Tail is should to shoot again. This I have not written, no. To shoot again. I cannot bear that. My tail is down, my ears are flat. I am trembling here outside the door. Oh, don't you love me anymore? So, the same like that flat, rhyming fair. Door, more. This is A, B, B. So, what's the rhyming scheme here? A, B, B. Clear? Pair means you have to take pair only. Is there any? To shoot again, I cannot bear that. My tail is down, my ears are flat. My. Both are what? Alliteration. I think I will die with fright. Next paragraph. Next we'll say. I think I will die with fright unless you let me tonight. The doors opened wide. I am rushing through, I am safe inside. We'll say four lines first. Fright, night, they are pairs. Wide, inside, they are also pairs. Rhyming scheme is AEBB. Okay. Here also, alliteration is I am rushing through, I am safe inside. Oh, I is the alliteration there. I am. Next paragraph you have to see means the light is on, it's warm and grand. Next paragraph. Warm and grand. Lick your hand. Behind the couch. And crouch. The same like they both are A. This is B. This two rhyming pair, this two rhyming pair. Rhyming scheme is AABB. Alliteration you have to say like that only. Next one you see. Last paragraph. The last words are done. I will run. Other two lines I will write here. The night. My fright. Fright I say fear. So they both are same pronunciation. Then run. So they are A. The night, my fright, BB. So what's the rhyming scheme? A, BB. So children, you have to find out the rhyming pair, rhyming scheme only for taking lesson. That time only you have to note down. But while writing answers, you have to write. Whenever the question is asked like that, write the rhyming pair, you have to take down the words and write these are the rhyming pair. Rhyming scheme means you have to write the rhyming scheme. The entire poem you have to underline. And you have to underline the pair and you have to write the scheme how it is present. Okay. Now we have to go for question and answers. Poem is simplest poem. It's not memory poem. We have to go for question and answers. Before we go to the question and answers, let us mark page number 142. Rhyming words. After that we will go for the question and answers. Rhyming words. It's in page number 142. Hark. You have to match. Arc opposite. Matching word is dark. TWO2. Matching word is what? Do. Help. Help. Already we did. Grand. Hand. Couch. Crouch. Night. Fright. The order is 2, 6, 1, 5, 3, 4. The same sentences are given in our poem. So we are marking off. We have to see. Answer the following question and answers. Literary appreciation is there. That and all we will see in next class, children. Okay, thank you.